Today we're trying out the SilverCrest Bladeless Fan Heater. We picked this up from the middle of Lidl and paid $49.99. So this looks a good desktop size. It has built-in LED mood lighting with 5 different colours and a colour changing mode. Now this can be set to run from 5 to 35 degrees C and does have a timer function as well. This also has 10 speed settings, comes with a remote control which has a magnetic holder so you're less likely to lose or misplace it, and the timer can be run for up to 9 hours. It looks really stylish and it does come with a 3-year warranty. So let's get this out of the box and see what we're looking at. So this comes with the user manual. This is the parts, cleaning and the maintenance guide, and it tells you how to use all the features. The fan heater looks really smart in this matte black and chrome, and it's a really good size. The cable is a decent length at almost 2 meters. We've got the LED display and the touch press buttons. We've got the on-off button just at the top, and this comes with the remote control which also has all the features on there. When we plug it in, it goes into standby mode. And now we can access all the features. We've got the on-off button just at the top as well as on the remote control. It will come on at its preset level number 3 and you can adjust that level. When you turn it off, next time you turn it on, it will come on at the same level unless it's been unplugged from the mains. The remote control has the same features as what you have on the base unit. You've got the power on off, the timer function, the mode selector, the oscillation function, then you've got the fan speed, the temperature and the heat setting. You've got the light or LED activator, and then the dimmer for the mood lighting. You've also got a plus and a minus on the remote, so when you select the one you want to change, you can simply use the plus and the minus to increase or decrease. On the base unit, we don't have the plus and the minus, so you'll simply keep pressing the key to scroll through the options. The M button is to select the mode. The P is for power mode and switches to the highest level of ventilation. The S is the sleep mode, and that varies the speed and reduces it over 30 minutes. N is for nature mode, and it simulates natural gusts of wind every 10 seconds. And then you've got the eco mode, and that can only be used at 22 degrees, and it varies depending on the room temperature. To use the timer function, when you've set your heater up, simply press that timer button and keep pressing it until you've selected the required time you want the heater to run for. So there we have it, that's a SilverCrest fan heater. I think that looks really stylish, looks part of the furniture, and it's worked out really well for us. I've had this running for about half an hour in my little box office, and it's taken the temperature up by about 2 degrees already. I like the fact that the remote has the magnetic strip, so I'm less likely to misplace that. And this desktop size is perfect for us. This is almost 55 centimetres tall, or about 21.5 inches. And they do a full size one, which is almost double that height. And they do come in white as well as this black. I love the mood lighting on there, and it does have some fancy features. So we're going to add this to our middle of Lidl playlist, and hopefully someone's found that useful. Thanks for watching.